Hi, this is Matt Bernstein with Skillhands.com, and in this section of the course, we're going to learn about Facebook group strategies to capture and keep your audience's attention. Facebook is one of the most popular social media platforms, and as a business, you have different options for connecting with your fans. You can create a business page, or you can create a Facebook group. What are Facebook groups? And according to Facebook, Facebook groups make it easy to connect with a specific set of people, like family, teammates, or coworkers. Groups are dedicated spaces where you can share updates, photos, or documents and message other group members. You can also select one of the 3 privacy options for each group that you create. Groups are great for marketing your business. You can use groups to keep your customers who are members informed about upcoming products or services and to share information. You can ask your customers questions to get their input. Groups can be used to convert prospects into buyers or as a way to provide customer support. Groups can be as narrow or broad as you want. For example, if you're a food blogger, you can create a group for a specific type of food or group for a specific type of cooking challenge or wider niche like sharing recipes. In this lecture, you're going to learn strategies for Facebook groups, and these strategies include the benefits of groups and creative ideas for using them, running your group so you have less spam and more interaction among the members. You'll learn strategies for balancing activities without bombarding your members with too many messages. And finally, you'll learn the difference between Facebook pages and groups, as well as getting tips for monetizing your groups. So how Facebook groups work. Facebook offers both pages and groups as a way to connect with your followers. Facebook groups are recommended for connecting with smaller groups of people you already have a connection with. Anyone using Facebook can start a Facebook group. Here are some basics of using Facebook groups. Group privacy settings can be open, closed, or secret. Open privacy means anyone who is in the group can see what they post. Closed means the group and its members can only be seen by anyone, but the posts are not visible except to its members. Secret is just what it sounds like. The group, its members, and the posts are only seen by those members. You can be a member of the group and be friends with 1 or 2 people, yet you can interact with everybody in that group. Photos are uploaded by any member of the group, just like uploading photos to your Facebook profile. Groups work a lot like regular news feed, allowing members to post questions, comments, and photos. Important posts can be pinned, making them appear at the top of the group's page feed. Members share documents and files, this way to distribute files for editing or sharing with as many people without having to email each one individually. Groups can create specific events and manage them with the group calendar. Group admins can be assigned moderators to respond to posts and monitor abusive posts. Groups are created around common causes or interests that can be used to collaborate around a certain project or subject. For example, a group that talks about fiction story ideas. Groups can be used to coordinate local events, nonprofit groups, and school functions. Groups can be used to sell things or share items. For example, a group that allows you to share children's books with other members. Groups are a way to connect with a small number of people who already know and have the same interests as you. Groups work a lot like regular news feed and can be set up to have moderators monitoring posts and member activities. Groups versus pages. Facebook offers both pages and groups for businesses to use in their social media efforts. Both have a place in your marketing plan. There are differences in the way that they should be used. Facebook pages are more like a timeline for organizations, brands, and businesses. Page owners post stories, add cover photos, share videos and photos, as well as host events. Anyone can like a page and be able to see that page's updates in their own news feed. Facebook pages are good for promoting your company or raising brand awareness. You can use it to make special offers, share promotions, and make announcements while building your fan base. Facebook groups are better suited for smaller, specialized groups of people with the same interests. They can be created to connect family, coworkers, teammates, or people with similar interests. Group members can ask or answer questions, post about oncoming events, follow conversations that interest them. Mass messages in your group members' inbox can be sent through the group as well. One difference between pages and groups is that pages are mainly intended as a one-to-many show. You as the page owner run the show. People who like your page can comment on posts on your page, but only you and a person directly visiting your page will see it. Their posts don't appear in the news feed or people who've liked your page. Groups are more of many-to-many type of gathering. Collaboration is the key to groups, and in the newsfeed, members will be able to see whenever somebody posts to the group. The admin doesn't have to moderate or be involved in any way if they choose not to. Pages versus groups, pros and cons. Facebook page pros and cons. Pages allows you to promote using the promoted posts, advertising, and other promotional tools. Pages includes Insight, which let you see the analytics of your page. Pages are good for communicating with a large number of Facebook users. When the admin mode of your page, you can like another page to pull in that page's content into your news feed instead of a personal feed. Building community spirit and engaging is more difficult. Facebook group pros and cons. Groups are more likely to show up in members' newsfeed. Groups have better control over who joins due to its privacy options. Groups don't have any analytical functions that pages do. Groups are ideal for providing more personal member conversations. Facebook pages and groups have both their strengths and will benefit your business. Pages and groups are both visible to Facebook community, but groups can set a privacy level for those who see it. Pages are geared towards masses, while groups are ideal for smaller, specific groups of people.